A great feature of the target is moving system is the speed. I can take downtime and turning it into training time. If I'm a training officer and I have a police officer that could benefit from some additional training, I may not have time to take him out to the range and work through drills. But if we have a little downtime on our shift, I can go to a safe environment. I can pull out two training aids. Something as simple as a CERT training firearm, which is an inert firearm, removable magazine, and it discharges a laser every time the trigger is pressed. And of course, the target is moving system. Watch how fast I can get this training scenario up and moving. Obviously, you want to follow all the safety rules when you're doing simulation training. You want to triple check that there's no live firearms or ammunition in the environment that you're training. Always be safe. Always go home at the end of the night. Once I get the target is moving system up and going, I'm going to take the remote and I'm going to take the officer that I intend to train. Brent here is familiar with the operation of the CERT training gun. If he wasn't, we'd have to do a little orientation on that, but in this case he is. Once we have our target system set up and our shooter in position, we can start working through progressions. The first progression, stationary target, stationary shooter. Let's see a couple of hits. Once I feel the shooter has progressed and is comfortable, I'm going to add the next progression. So when I tell you left, you're going to take one step, fire 2 shots on target. The direction I tell you to move, you're going to take 1 large step and then 2 shots on target.
Okay.
All right, ready? Left. Right. Front. Left. Rear. Right. Once a shooter has an easy understanding of this and demonstrates it well, we can add a moving target, stationary shooter. Ready? I'm going to follow the same progression. Once the shooter demonstrates ability for this, we're going to go back to the drill where I tell you the direction. Are you ready?
Yep.
Left. Front. Right. Rear. And stop. This is just a quick demonstration of how you can take a room, take some training aids, and turn 15 minutes into training.